What would you say that is online business really good or offline, or it really depends upon how you take it, your business?
It
So what do
really
you
depends
suggest?
on how you take it. It really depends on how you take it. It depends on the kind of product that you have also. So, uh, but yes, in today's world and going forward, I will really say online
Online.
is picking up a lot. So people have shifted their whole business online because of the pandemic. But yes, this will go ahead because people have realized you really need not step out of your house for everything. पहले भी you just कुछ चाहिए चलो randomly we just go out, but now you just realize it's okay if you just stay at home and order everything. I Because of the comfort and also being scared. But going forward, people will prefer comfort as well. So online is something that yes, it will pick up even more than now. And there are a lot of online businesses that you can tap, be it digital marketing, the delivery. So that's an offline thing, but because of the change in online, it's coming offline. So if you have noticed, VFast, the delivery app, VFast,
Yes,
it's
yeah.
picked up a lot because people can't step out and they want things. So VFast have really picked up ordering business. If you have a food business or anything, orders, online thing has really picked up. Education has shifted, like the whole education has, obviously schools and colleges will go back to the offline mode, but then even they have realized that there are a lot of things that can be shifted online, you know
Yeah.
so vocational training here, a lot of things that has shifted online. So yes, online is something you can look forward for in future.
Yes, ma'am. So you yourself are also a social entrepreneur. So what would you say that in that direction? Like people, when they get a big entrepreneur and want to earn success and all that. So what would you suggest in this line to help the society to contribute towards it? So
Very frankly, giving back to the society and helping people, it's a very personal thing, and that feeling really comes from inside. You can't just go and um, push anybody to participate or give back or do something for the society. They'll do, because of the forcing, they'll do it once or twice, but on a regular basis to do something is something that it really comes from inside. So
yeah,
it but it's really important, and the feeling that you get, the satisfaction, the peace that you get by doing something for somebody and changing somebody's life is, it's a very it's a very different feel, thing.
yes,
So you really can't explain it, but I will tell even each and everybody, even as a student, I remember uh, the pocket money we used to get. I used to keep some money separately for giving back, doing something for somebody. If I find somebody, I'll just buy some food for them. Jitna bhi milta tha, whatever the capacity I used to give. So it's about, it's not about the quantity, it's about your feeling and how much you can do every
yeah.
time. So don't think कि I don't have much, or मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ और
Hmm.
मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. And it's not only about financially. You can contribute in so many ways, even by teaching somebody, by just being emotionally present for somebody. Giving back is not only financial. So yeah, you anybody and everybody can help out.
Yeah. And ma'am, lastly, I would like to ask you, what would you suggest students to who are you aspiring to become entrepreneurs? So, what would you give a message to them?
Hmm. Okay. First of all, to be an entrepreneur, you have to, start saving. So please start saving and please be financially aware of your money, because it's not about saving. Also, even when you become an entrepreneur, financially you have to be very aware of where your money is coming from, where your money is going. So even from now, start become financially aware and start keeping a track of your money, because then it becomes your inbuilt thing. Okay, you have to keep a track of your money wherever it's going and coming. Second, don't stop learning and start being an entrepreneur from today itself. So entrepreneurs not कि तुम्हारे पास कोई service या product है. Entrepreneur is all about ideas.
Yeah.
So surround yourself with people with whom you can discuss things. Keep discussing good ideas and good facts, and what is going around, or what new is coming and what can be done. The more you speak to people, the more ideas you will get about your product or whatever you have in mind. So keep discussing things. Very important, find a mentor for yourself. This is something which have helped me till date. I approach my mentor, I talk to that person. So I talk to 2-3 mentors of mine. I talk to them, I discuss my idea, and it's not necessary that you get a solution, a specific solution, but they'll guide you towards the right path. And that is important, right? So have a mentor, be financially aware, start surrounding yourself with good people who believe in you, who will trust you, and who will, encourage you to do anything in life. And be positive, read a lot, learn, keep learning. This is the backbone of entrepreneur. तुम कोई भी product ले लो, कोई भी service ले लो, that is secondary. The skills, what your personality is what makes you an entrepreneur. So it's never too late to start and never too early to begin. So if you have something, just start.
Thank you. It was really great to have you here. How was your experience? It was good.
Very good. Very good questions. And I feel, students, वो एक रहता है. Even when I was in college, I always wanted to be an entrepreneur. I knew I'll never be there in a job. 9 to 5 job is not my thing. I always knew that. And people who knew me knew I'll never do a job. So, but at our time, there was nobody to guide you, and there was no sources to, these kind of podcasts and these kind of sessions, talking sessions, they were not that, common. So we had to go through a lot of, wander a lot to become who we are. But today, students are really blessed with good learnings and good resources. So just use it well. I am very happy that, NM is doing all this. NM has always been a step forward, and they keep providing a lot for students. So